And the first phase is energy investment phase. Start off with 1 molecule of glucose. So from 1 molecule of glucose, it uses or consumes or invests 1 ATP, invests 1 ATP to produce glucose 6-phosphate. So from 1 ATP, phosphate is donated to glucose, or phosphorylation of glucose occurs, and it will form glucose 6-phosphate. So that's the first intermediate, whereby 1 ATP is invested. Okay, now you get glucose 6-phosphate. From glucose 6-phosphate, it will undergo isomerization process and formed fructose 6-phosphate. It just in terms of the structure differs a little bit, but the molecular formula is similar. It still contains 6 carbon. From fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bis-phosphate, there's 1 more ATP invested. So 1 more ATP invested. So this fructose 6-phosphate will be phosphorylated. Remember the word phosphorylated? 1 phosphate from the ATP will be attached to fructose 6-phosphate to form fructose 1,6-bis-phosphate. So fructose 1,6-phosphate undergo phosphorylation process and form this. So 1 ATP is consumed or used and produces fructose 1,6-bis-phosphate. Still in energy investment phase. So after fructose 1,6-bis-phosphate, the splitting of the carbon occurs from 6 carbon. You have 6 carbon here. It splits into 2 molecule of 3 carbon compound. For each of the molecule, it consists of 1 phosphate. 1 phosphate here. And the net products are 2G3P or 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or G3P from the energy investment phase.